Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. Today I want to show you how you can use Embrilliance for absolutely free. You don't even have to put in a credit card or anything like that. I'm going to be putting it on my machine here, my computer, because I like to be able to just show you various tutorials using only certain parts of Embrilliance. And I'll show you how that's possible and how you can check out and try out every single type of Embrilliance. The only thing you can't do is save the stuff. So let's get started. So I went to Embrilliance.com and then I'm going to come up here to where it says Downloads. Click on that. And once I click on that, I'm going to go to, it says Looking for a Demonstration Version. So I'm going to click on that. And then it has several different platforms. It has the Mac or the Windows, right? And the demo version is going to include Essentials, all the Stitch Artist, Alpha Tricks, Density Repair Kit, and Enthusiast. So boy, oh boy, if you want to try these things out, go for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the one for Windows. As you can see, it downloads over here on the left-hand side of my computer screen. I'm going to double click on that to open it. Here it is, but I've got to extract it. So I'll just say extract. And it's a setup. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on that to set it up. Do I want it to allow it to make changes? Yes. Do I agree? Yes, I accept. Do I want it to be put where it says it's going to? Sure. Let's see, create program shortcuts. I do want to say that, so next. I want it to create a desktop shortcut, so say yes, and install. And finish. And it's going to, look at this. I love this. It's going to install it or open up the demo version, but check this out. I can open it just with Essentials. I can open with Essentials and Enthusiast. I can open with Essentials, Enthusiast, and Stitch Artist 1, 2, and 3. Or I could just open with Enthusiast to see how that is. So I'll just open with Enthusiast to see what we get. Say open, and this is what it looks like if I have Enthusiast. Okay. So notice we don't have the little gear here for Stitch Artist, but we do have this that allows us to edit stitches, and that comes in really handy as well. I'll show you where it came in handy for me just today. I'm going to go ahead and open the little Christmas winter unicorn I did the other day. I'm going to hit the 0 on the keyboard to make it be big, and say I wanted just one of these snowflakes right here. If I didn't have Enthusiast, I couldn't select it. So what I would do first is grab this, and I'm going to come up here and edit, ungroup, okay? And so I have this, and I can select just this blue part, right? So as a matter of fact, I'll do that, and I'll delete these guys, delete on my keyboard, and bring this back. Now, there's no way that I can ungroup this further to get the little snowflake, but I was talking to a friend of mine, Bonnie, and she was saying yes, she can do it in the software that she likes to use. So I thought I must be able to do it here as well. So here's what you got to do. If you have Enthusiast, you get this little icon right here that says use this tool to edit stitches. When I click on that, notice these little things have changed here. So if I want to just grab this one snowflake right here, I can grab this little thing right here, freehand select when dragging, and I can drag around this little snowflake just like this. Check it out. Notice it highlights it. So I can come up here to copy, and I'm going to open up a new page, and I can right click and say paste, or I could hit this little filey thing and paste. So there it is, just like that. So we can scroll way in and look at it. I can further adjust these if I wanted to. Look at that. But I don't want to do that. So anyway, that just shows you how you can separate things from patterns and be able to use something from it and not the rest of the stuff if you have enthusiasts. But my main point was this. I wanted to show you this. So let's close this out. Let's say don't close, don't save anything. And I've got to go to my desktop because I want to find that Embrilliance demo. It's right here. Double click on that. And it's always going to ask me, what do I want to open? So this time, how about if I open Essentials, Enthusiast, and all the stitch artists that I have. Say OK. Now we still have that button right there, but we also have this Create tab that gives us all these options. So you can follow along with all the tutorials I'm doing, see if you like the program, and then just buy the components as you wish. Do remember though that I won't, excuse me, if I do go ahead and open something again, want it to fill up my whole work area here, I'll hit the 0. And if I want to change something, let's say I want to change one of these stitches like that, if I come up here to File, Save, excuse me, Save Stitch and Working. Oh, sorry, this is a demonstration version, so it won't let me save anything, but I sure can learn how to use it and see if I like it. So I just wanted to give you that tip. And don't forget, right now, if you use my coupon code down below, you can save an extra 10% on any part of Embrilliance that you want to purchase. So check it out. Thank you. Bye, y'all.